I bought a vintage dress and handmade shoes off of Etsy, and today we're gonna try them on. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoe and I recently got engaged. I'm very excited about it. And although we haven't set a date yet, I have actively been looking for dresses online. I just couldn't help myself. And at first I wasn't sure what I wanted, but after looking at like hundreds of dresses probably, I realized I like the boho lacy style and also the prairie and Victorian style dresses that were popular in the 70s. I ended up doing a little sketch of what I wanted, and while looking for dresses on Etsy, I found a dress that looks a lot like my sketch. And even more interesting was that it was vintage from the 70s. The dress still has its original label on it. It was a Gunne Saxe from the Romantic Renaissance Bridal collection. Now, Gunne Saxe was a clothing label that was popular in the 70s and 80s for their dresses, and these dresses are like collector's items now, so I was really lucky to find one close to my size. The description only had flat measurements of the front of the dress, so looking at that, I was thinking the dress might be a little bit big, but we will have to see. I ended up paying about $400 for this dress, which is a little expensive for a vintage dress, but overall pretty inexpensive for a wedding dress. I also bought some handmade shoes from Etsy as well, so we're gonna unbox those today. And I'm very excited to open these, so let's get right into it. So let's start with these shoes. They took about 3 weeks to arrive from Spain to Canada, and they cost me $200, which is a little bit pricey for shoes, but they are exactly what I wanted. So here's one of them. They're beautiful. I'll show you what they look like on. So they're white chantilly lace and they have a lace ribbon. The wedge heel is hand woven from natural jute. It has a rubber sole. The heel is 4 inches high and they are beautiful. They fit me really well and they're really comfortable. All right, now onto the dress. Now, the dress got stuck at the border for a while, so it took just over 5 weeks for it to arrive from California to Ontario. Once again, it only cost me $400, including shipping, and I can't believe how tiny the box it came in was. They folded this dress up so small. So I have the dress here. There is a little bit of yellowing, but it's pretty even throughout the dress, and there is a little spot on the back, but that was mentioned in the ad. One thing is the elastic in the sleeves here has gone, but it is like 50 years old, so that makes a lot of sense. Other than that, the dress is in absolutely perfect condition. Like it's better than the clothing that I have. And it's from the 70s. So let's try it on. Surprisingly, the dress fits me really well. It's just a tiny bit too long in both the bodice and the skirt, but not enough to really need altering, maybe just a little hem. The sash is supposed to tie in the back, but I think I like it in the front better. Also, I might need to tighten the neckline a bit or just pin it, just to be sure that it doesn't fall any lower. And the only thing I would definitely have done is to replace the elastic in the sleeves. I can't believe how well this dress fits me, and there is no stretch at all, just a zipper in the back. I am so in love with the dress and the shoes are absolutely perfect. Everything was just as it was pictured and even fits me really well. I'm very pleased with my purchases and I just want to say a big thank you to the Etsy sellers. I'll link their store down in the description so you guys can check them out. And I also want to say thank you so much for watching this video and sharing this with me. If you enjoyed yourself or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social medias, all at Anorthidol, same way it's spelled here. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or you can watch another video right over here.